Hey there, beautiful people. It's your girl Jay. Today, I want to take you along with me on a special journey to Adom Waterfall. This is a hidden gem tucked away in Ghana. But this trip wasn't just about sightseeing. It was a moment of reflection, of healing, and connection, both with nature and with my own story, especially my journey with Lupus. The drive there was peaceful. I went with a dear friend who's also walking his own journey, right? As we arrived, I could already feel the calmness in the air, guys. Surrounded by green hills, birds singing, and the gentle breeze. It felt like nature itself was welcoming me, you know? I think you guys know that living with lupus means my days aren't always predictable. I never really know when the fatigue or joint pain will hit, but stepping into the space, I felt free, even if just for a while. Now, the walk to this waterfall wasn't easy. As you guys know, it takes my breath away on long walks and things like that. It was muddy, a little steep, and the sun was out in full force. I believe Ghana would give you that. But it reminded me of what living with lupus feels like. Some days it feels like a steep climb, but I keep going, one step at a time. We laughed, slipped a little. Oh, that was me. But we kept walking. Having someone beside me reminded me that I'm not alone, actually. And if you're watching this, maybe you need that reminder too, that you are not alone in your fight. When we finally arrived at the waterfall, I just stood there in awe, guys. It was beautiful, it was powerful, it was refreshing. In that moment, I thought, this is grace. Even with all the pain, the flares, the doctor visits, I'm still here. I'm still standing, still alive. Like that was an awesome moment to reflect on that. The water reminded me of God's presence, which is constant, it's flowing, life-giving, and I found myself whispering a quiet thank you for life, for strength, and for healing that's still on the way. I sat for a while and just listened to the water, to my heart, to God, and I thought about how far I've come. From the early symptoms that confused me to the day I got my diagnosis, the fear, the unknown, the changes I had to make, and yet here I was, sitting by a waterfall, soaking in beauty and peace. Sometimes we just forget to pause and honor our journey, you know? So today, I did that. I honored mine. We talked about life, about dreams, and how far we've both come. You know, my friend reminded me that I've been so brave. And I had to see it in that moment, you know, even on the days I didn't feel it. I want to tell you, the same. If you're living with a chronic illness or just going through a tough time, whatever it is that it may be, you are brave too. Hey, you are braver than you actually know. And you need to just take a moment, take a beat, and just reflect on that and just see how brave you are. It's very hard sometimes to just see it in the moment, when you're going through it. But when you actually take a beat, a minute, a sit, and reflect on it, you actually see how brave you are. And you also need somebody to tell you that. So that's what I'm doing. As we started walking back, I felt lighter. And not because Lupus had disappeared, of course not, but because I allowed myself this moment to reconnect with my soul, to breathe, to just be. Life with Lupus can feel limiting, but it also teaches you to cherish the little things. A walk, a friend, a waterfall, a quiet heart. It's just so freeing. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. Adom means grace, by the way, in Akan, which is a Ghanaian language. And this waterfall truly lives up to its name, don't you think? Wherever you are in your life, in your journey, whether with lupus, another illness, or just life's many twists and turns, may you find your own Adom, your own place of grace. Until next time, guys, keep breathing, keep believing, and keep showing up. My name is Jemima Inyunyam Dankwa, and this is my life with lupus.